For example, the eye contact when Mr. Bean tried to get very close to the man. Um, of course, the man was upset by the touch, and the other one is that he instantly gazed at Mr. Bean to force him out. Yeah, so there's one about eye contact, and another one is about the adapter. There are a lot of
But
adapters.
even talking about this one, it's also related to what? When you're talking about that they get very close and then force him to get away from him,
Yes?
this is also related to what?
The spatial.
Spatial, not sexual. Okay, continue, sorry.
Oh, where was I? Oh, adapter. Like blowing the paper, like by dipping on the pen, and another one is he faked it was that he used the arms to present that he was cold. Yeah. Yeah. So that's all.
So the function of his action is, how about the function? Why he is doing this? You mean that candidate try not to?
Mr. Bean tried to rub over his arm,
Yeah.
and then the function of that nonverbal message is to
Decept the man.
yeah, it should be
Alright.
so.
Let's pass it to the other group.
But before we get to other group, you mentioned adapters, but they are different adapters, right? Can you identify the difference of those adapters?
For example, what is that? Spitting on the pen or rubbing the paper is the object adapter.
Object adapter.
And the other one about being present to be cold is self adapter. Or alter maybe.
Alter, because the man sitting next to him is watching that he pretends that he was cold, right?
Yes.
So it's the alter adapter.
Adapt.
How about other groups? How about Jane?
In the clip, we can see that there's some facial communication, and because when he heard of that, the other person has prepared for some other context, then he showed surprise first, and then he can't control his feelings. He masked it with something more confident and things like that. So it's facial communication, and it says the function of expressing emotions. Okay. And also there are temporal communication for the examiner. He says that there are 2 minutes left, and this is a formal expression of time. It is very specific, and its function is a social interaction to tell the examinees about the time. Is it? And also there are spatial messages from the where we can see that the examiner is set on he's sitting behind the lectern, and then the examinees, they're just sitting separated from themselves. So they just indicate they're in relationship, defining their relationships.
Yeah. You mean the examiner sits somewhere high
Far
and
away,
far
far
from
away,
the
and that
candidate?
is they're sitting side by side.
Alright. Thank you. And how about other groups? How about Winnie's groups? Do you have any idea?
跟住坐喺度影。
has also used body communication of M games. It is when he successfully watched the others answer, and so he had, and this is the emblem.
So what is the function of that emblem?
To express his happiness of successfully watching. And also he has used eye avoidance that cut off essence still
What is the unpleasant simile in the clip?
When he see the green paper and he didn't know how to answer the question, and he used his hand to cover his eyes to pretend there are no question or something else.
That is to prevent which? To prevent what?
To pretend.
So how about the clothes? The clothes that the candidates or the examiner wear. Actually, it's a kind of gestural communication. Maybe we can start from that.
Maybe the next group then.
How about those in the back?
Oh,
No, please first.
What kind of
What kind of clothes?
Mr. will wear very
Form.
formal and dress, and the other one just wear t-shirts, it's very casual. So represent their attitude to the exam statement.
how about examiner?